Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs Chapter 8, Animal-like Protists, the Protozoa. Let's start. Which of the following is characteristic of Protozoa? Polyphyletic. Some are autotrophs. Some are heterotrophs. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Reproduction in Protozoa involves binary fission, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Asexual reproduction that occurs in Protozoa includes all of the following except budding, schizogony, multiple fission, conjugation. Correct answer: conjugation. The type of symbiotic relationship where both species benefit is termed parasitism, commensalism, mutualism, symbiosis. Correct answer: mutualism. The specialized region in Protozoa that is analogous to a mouth is the vacuole, cytopyge, food vacuole, cytopharynx. Correct answer: cytopharynx. Protozoans in this supergroup feed by a flagella-generated current and include Giardia, Trypanosoma and dinoflagellates. Chromalveolata, Rhizaria, Amoebozoa, Excavata. Correct answer: Excavata. Which of the following does not belong to the supergroup Chromalveolata? Coleophora, Euglena, Toxoplasma, Plasmodium. Correct answer: Euglena. Sleeping sickness in humans is caused by trypanosomes, amoeba, euglenoids. All of the above. Correct answer: trypanosomes. Which of the following is not a type of pseudopodium found in the amoebae? Lobopodia, Philopodia, Reticulopodia, Rhizopodia. Correct answer: Rhizopodia. Which of the following is not a marine protozoan? Foraminiferans, Heliozoans, Radiolarians, Giardia. Correct answer: Giardia. When schizogony produces merozoites, it is called gametogony, merogony, sporogony. Sexual reproduction. Correct answer: merogony. In the life cycle of Plasmodium, merozoites are formed in the mosquito gut, red blood cells, liver, spleen. Correct answer: liver. Organisms in this supergroup move via temporary extensions called lobopodia. Excavata, Amoebozoa, Rhizaria, Chromalveolata. Correct answer: Amoebozoa. Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.